Connections. Come on in. Thanks for joining us on our first event. It's going down October 7th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. We're gonna have live music. You're gonna be able to see great art at the Bensong Art Gallery, photo booth, and vibe with some really great people. Connections, we're a social club. We curate niche down events for anybody in any industry. So that means if you're an entrepreneur, creative professional, or maybe you just like to socialize, this is your ideal club. We want you to come out and connect with people organically. Be sure to register for our first event and experience the connection.
Are you excited for this event?
I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm anxious, I'm all these things wrapped into one. This is something I've been working on in my head for 2 years, physically since the beginning of this year, and it's finally happening. So yes, to say the least, I am very excited.